Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write and explain step by step how to add the squares of the binomials 5xy plus y squared and 5y squared plus xy. First, I'm going to expand each binomial by applying the formula for Binomial Square. This equals to 5xy in parentheses squared plus 2 times 5xy multiplied by y squared plus y squared in parentheses squared plus 5y squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 5y squared xy plus xy in parentheses squared. Next, I need to apply the rules of exponents. 5xy in parentheses squared equals to 5 squared, which is 25, x squared, y squared, plus 2 times 5 is 10, x, y cubed, plus y squared squared is y to the 4th power, plus 5y squared in parentheses squared is 5 squared or 25, y squared squared or y to the power of 4, plus 2 times 5 is 10, y squared multiplied by y is y cubed, and we have x, y cubed, plus x squared, y squared. As a last step, I need to add all terms that are like. Like or similar terms are the terms that have the same literal parts. So I can add 25x squared, y squared with x squared, y squared. I can also add 10xy cubed and 10xy cubed. I also can add y to the 4th power plus 25 y to the 4th power. Therefore, this expression equals to 26 x squared y squared plus 20 xy cubed plus 26 y to the 4th power. This polynomial cannot be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. I am thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.